All right, so trade recap for today. It's July 13th, 2026. I took 2 trades, 1 short, 1 buy, and this was based around 10 a.m. and after and onward. So I'll show you those right now. Over here, this is the 1-minute chart. I took shorts right here at this level because of the 5-minute 10 a.m. This was the body high of the 5-minute 10 a.m. So got in there, and then if you look at the 1-minute, that's when Trump tweeted at around 10:16, so right after the 15-minute close, and it completely dropped. And my TP was originally set for 500, but I think because of the massive spike in volume, it got me out at around 700. And then I took another long here. It was actually around here after this 1-minute close. I waited for another 1 minute to kind of go down here. Market ordered it, and so I took profit here because when this 1 minute wicked up, I put my stop right here just to lock in profits, and then it came back down to create a lower wick. And if I would have held on to it, it would have hit TP, but like totally okay with securing profits. You know, this is on 2 accounts, so $1,000 on 2 accounts is very nice. And then I'll show you the live trading that I took so that you can see it happen. So over here, I originally was playing off of this 5-minute rejection block before 10 a.m. just because I thought it was a very nice key level. There was a 0.5 fib, and wanted to see if we would tap it. It got super close to tapping me in just about by 3 points, so I kind of got edge there. And don't mind the sped up portion of the video. Then over here is when I took the 10 a.m. So we had a drop in the 10 a.m. There was that wick that was created. I wanted to get in at the body high, and it ended up filling me. And then for about, I think like 5 to 10 more minutes, I was kind of in drawdown, like in between drawdown and profit. So I was just leaving it alone. And we'll get to when Trump tweeted in just a moment. But, you know, so I like the reaction off of that. I was considering adding two, but I kind of wanted to wait for another 5-minute close, especially like a 5-minute close in my direction. So over here, Trump tweeted, and I had my TP for 500, but as you can see, it got me out for 700, which was nice. And then a few moments later, literally right after the first 1-minute close, I put a market order for buys at my level that was originally there because when it hit TP all the way down, it took me out and also canceled my trade there. So decided to do a market order. And over here, this is what I was talking about. I just wanted to lock in profits. So on the 1 minute, we had that close. We had a wick up, and I thought it was going to kind of keep going from there, but it decided to make another lower wick. So not too mad about that there, especially since like it could have flew even higher. But like locked in profits, that's all I can really hope for a day like this, especially when we have a Trump tweet in my direction. That is honestly like I would call that more on like the luck side, but definitely zones were very valid too. So yeah, that's a trade recap for today. Thanks for watching.